स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौँ आज न्यू हेम्पसायर नेपाली कम्युनिटी एनआरएनए च्याप्टरको सहयोगमा र सहकार्यमा यो कार्यक्रम हुन गइरहेको छ। आज यो एक दिवसीय कन्सुलेट सर्भिस मोस्ट अफ द टाइम हामी आज यहाँ पासपोर्ट रिन्युवलको कामहरू गर्दैछौँ। सो यसका लागि हामीलाई सहयोग गर्नुहुने सबै भोलिन्टियर साथीहरू र हाम्रो न्युयोर्कबाट आउनुभएका हाम्रा कन्सुलेट सर्भिसेसका स्टाफहरूभित्र काम पनि गर्नुभएको छ। सो I'd like to say a few words in the English still because we have some designated guests here today. So I would like to welcome Mayor of New Hampshire, Jay Royce. He's here and his staff is here too. And similarly, we have our Consul General from New York Consulate of Nepal Embassy. He's there, Mr. Sangram Bhandari. And our Honorable Consul, Prem Thapa from New York Consulate Services, Embassy of Nepal, Government of Nepal. We are very, very excited. This is the second time in the same venue this year we are conducting these services. And last year also around 125 plus people got the passport renewal and some other consulate services from the same venue last year, almost maybe same year, same month I mean. So even though in this winter season we are conducting this services and we are planning to conduct this every year if we can. So it depends upon the availability of their time and our all efforts and all the logistics that we could support here. So thank you very much for all of you who are showing your interest to get the services from us. And we are also very obliged and humble and very grateful to provide the services to all of you. Thank you very much. And similarly, we will also be playing the national song of Nepal, Sayodhunga, national anthem of Nepal. So.
Sayodhunga fulka हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौम भई फैलिएका मेची महाकाली सायुथुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौम भई फैलिएका मेची महाकाली प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचना वीरहरूका राजधानी सुल्तानद्वारा अटला ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाला अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहुजाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छ विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
Thank you. I'd like to request Mayor Jay Royce to say a few words and Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll start by thanking the consulate for being here this morning. We deeply appreciate you all making your way out of here from New York to the state of New Hampshire. I understand you were with the governor yesterday. That's wonderful. She's great. So for those who don't know, my wife is from Peru. So she immigrated here 25 years ago. And we actually have a great relationship with the Peruvian consulate. So they came to City Hall last year and did exactly what you all are doing today. So I appreciate you all coming out, being here. Who's from Manchester?
A lot of people.
All right. Oh, great. Okay, great. Yes. Well, you had mentioned 5, 6 other states, so I wasn't sure. Well, it's great. So the city of Manchester, for those who aren't from here, we are born out of the work of immigrants and settlers who came down from Quebec and Montreal and Canada, the Greeks. A whole host. But we built the mill yards here in the city, and that has not changed in the last 200 years. Now it's just different countries, but it's the same kind of thing. We are consistently refreshed by the work of those who have immigrated here, who have moved here to work in the city of Manchester. So I appreciate your continued contributions to our city, to our state. We deeply appreciate you being here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
A day, whether it is a cultural or some other kind of a things. We would be inviting you maybe more and more and making you more busy to be in our community. Thank you. Similar.
Thank you, Honorable Mayor Dheeresh, for being here with us today. We are traveling from New York to provide service to your constituency, and it's a true honor for the consulate to have you with us. This is the part of our mandate and sense of duty to provide consular services to our Nepali brother and sister and a Nepali friend to their doorstep. This is the continuation. Since I joined in this summer, we already conducted four consular camp in different states, and the community leader in New Hampshire, they are particularly very eager and very active to host us in their hometown, and you are joining with them. Thank you very much. And what you mentioned in your remarks, like Peruvian consulate, we will be looking forward, very much eagerly looking forward to have meaningful relationship with City Hall, with your office, so that our Nepali community peoples will be better served. Briefly say about these consular services. The idea behind this type of camp is to provide meaningful service to those people who can't make their journey to New York, number one. Number two, to give the sense of feeling that Government of Nepal and their representative is around their doorstep. Number three, when we come to the community, we can explore the possibility how to deepen, how to strengthen people-to-people contact. Because as you mentioned, our people, very vibrant Nepali community is here. We will improve our service. We will find the better way to enhance Nepal-US people-to-people relations, particularly with New Hampshire. So with this, I should not be speaking too much. I assure all our brother and sister who are here and who want to take service from our camp, we will. This is not the one-day camp. As long as you are here, we will be here and we will provide the service to you. Even if we require to be here tomorrow. Community leader, I hope you will provide the space for us to be here. Number second, I request all the brother and the sister to have a very meaningful relationship with city, with state, and the purpose, the latent purpose of this mission is, please have your document updated, be it passport or any document you require to have from the US side. Please get it timely renewed, so that you will not face any hassle while traveling or while seeking service from the city and other things. That is another purpose of this type of camp, which is very much important these days around. With this, I thank you all the service seekers who are coming to us today, and if there is anything we can do to make our service better, please give us feedback. And please trust us, we will provide better service in the days to come, and we will try to come quite often to your doorstep. With this, thank you very much for all the community leaders who have made tireless effort for a month to make this event possible. and we will have meaningful partnership and cooperation in the days to come. Thank you very much. Namaste. Around to show the process, and then we will say goodbye.
I gotta take the pictures.
You can come.
Camera.